welcome back to my channel. This is Pragya Jain and today we are discussing the internal 3 question paper. So let's begin. The first question is, which of the following best describes the term data science? So a field that uses programming language exclusively for data manipulation, a field combining computer science, statistics and data analysis to extract insight from data, a discipline focused on mathematical modeling and regression techniques, a technique for data visualization using graphical tools. So the correct option is option B, a field combining computer science, statistics and data analytics to extract insights from data, because data science is a term that uses different types of categories of fields to take insights and patterns from a large variety of data that we have collected. So, and the next question is question number 2. Which of the following is a key difference between hypothesis driven and data driven research paradigms in the data science? So the correct option is hypothesis driven research begins with the specific question, while the data driven research starts with the available data. Because in a hypothesis driven, you have a particular question, and this question and according to this question you will take the research or the data. But in data driven, you have a research, and according to this research you make the questions. The third question is, if you have a data set consisting of customer name, phone number, email address, which type of data would you likely to be present? This is the correct option is structured data, because in structured data you have tables, columns and rows, and the customer name, phone number and email, this all will stored in columns, and the values that comes under this are stored in rows. So the correct option is structured data. The fourth question is, give a data set of students' exam scores. Which of the following would be the appropriate measure of centrality for a skewed distribution? The correct answer is median, because in mean, mode and variance this will include outliers, so this will not be the correct option for skewed distribution. The fifth one is, a data scientist is comparing two data sets of customer demography. Dataset A includes height as a number, while the dataset B includes height as a string. So the correct option is, the dataset is not in the format that can be easily analyzed mathematically, because the dataset B include height as a string. So this is not a correct format. You have to convert this string into the numeric form or in the machine learning form, so that the computer will understand this. Computer will not understand the height as a string. So the primary issue with the dataset B is that it cannot be easily analyzed. The question number 6 is, suppose you have a data set with missing values and you need to clean it before further analysis. Which of the following actions would you take to handle missing data? The correct answer is, use imputation techniques like replacing missing values with the mean median of the data sets. Now the seventh question is, which of the following data types is not typically a characteristics of the big data? High variety, low velocity, high volume and low complexity. So the correct answer is low complexity, because low complexity works on structured and unstructured data, and big data also includes structured and unstructured data. So the correct answer is low complexity. The question number 8 is, what is the primary reason for using correlation analysis in data science? To determine the cause of observed relationship between two variables. B. To determine the degree of which two variables are related. C. To check if two variables are independent. D. To perform the hypothesis testing on the datasets. So the correct option is to find the degree of to which variables are related. Now we have a ninth question. You are given a dataset with the following features: age, income, education level. You need to predict whether a person will purchase a product or not. Which of the following problem is this? So this is a problem of classification, which is a correct option is B, because you need to classify the name, age, education level and different features. So the correct option is B. The question number 10 is, you have a data set with missing values in age column, which is quantitative. You are deciding between using the mean or median to fill the missing data. Which of the following situations would you make to median a better choice than the mean? The each column has an extreme outliner is the correct option. So now we have a question number 11. Which of the following statements about correlation is true? A correlation of 0 implies two variables are causally related. B. A correlation of 1 means that there is no linear relationship between two variables. C. A negative correlation means that a one variable increase and the other decrease. D. Correlation implies cautions. So the correct answer will be C. A negative correlation means that one variable increase and the other one is decrease. The question number 12 is, given that the dataset is often messy and inconsistent, which of the following approaches would you take to ensure the dataset is clean and analyzable? So the correct option is D. Examine the data for errors or inconsistencies and address them systematically. Because you have to examine that the errors is inconsistent and address them systematically. You have to address each error one by one and in a systematic manner. The third question will be, which of the following would be considered as a refract in the data cleaning process? Missing values that cannot be recovered, a power outage that corrupts the data during consistency, a systematic problem introduced during the data cleaning process, errors in the data that cannot be fixed by correction methods. So the correct option will be a systematic problem introduced during the data cleaning process. Now we have a question number 14. Which data format is commonly used for structured data and can be easily processed in the database? So the answer is CSV, because CSV file can be easily stored and easily read by Pandas library. And then fifth question will be, for you are comparing two datasets, one containing a list of customer names, emails, and the other containing purchase history. Which of the following would be the most important to check before merging the data sets? So the correct option will be B. Whether the email address are consistently formatted in both data sets, because the email address should be in a correct order, or you can say in a correct structure format. For example, you can say xyz@email.com is the correct format for an email, but some emails are in xyz ppp@yahoo.com. So this is not a correct email format. You need to check all the emails should be in a correct format. So till now we have covered 15 questions of our internal 3. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.